How to add a watermark to our picture in Pixelmator Pro. If you already got the watermark or logo you use, just drag and drop that to your layer panel. Now my watermark is below the main layer, so I just need to reorder them, drag it above. Here it is, now it's visible at the top. In that point, we can scale it up and down a bit and adjust the position of the watermark. You can use the slider to zoom in. Alright, it's a bit too strong, so now I can reduce the opacity of the whole layer with the watermark. If I don't like the color in my watermark, I can modify how the watermark will blend with the existing layer below, so it can blend a bit better with those colors below. So take a look, if I do the overlay, I don't see the pure white anymore, I can see the white was blended with the color below. Alright, and with this kind of watermark now I can zoom out, evaluate the picture, and in some cases you want to make a duplicate of it, so you can right click, you can duplicate your watermark and you can place it in different part of the image again if you like. Alright, so that's the way when you got already existing watermark to use. What if you don't have a watermark? In that case, we can use the text tool. Grab the text tool, click and type. We can adjust the font. We can reduce the size or increase the size. And with all of those operations, then we are ready to place the watermark. I suggest making this white. It's a bit easier to blend in. Okay, so this white text-based watermark, now we can place it here. And again, the same thing, we can reduce opacity. And here's my watermark. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.